Like, share, and subscribe to Lee Bang Outdoor Cooking. In Jamaica and around the world. Like, share, subscribe to Lee Bang Outdoor Cooking. Yeah, my people, man. Thanks and praise to everything, you know. Lee Bang Outdoor, man. If you want me subscribe to them, you know. Yeah, man, like, share, you know. We're there, man. Yeah, man, you know, so we're there, you know. You know, we always show the Vineyard, you know. You see me, I say, big up Johnny and Scientist, KK, they behind camera, right, K?
Right.
Yeah, see, bird them, they don't listen, cheer them. And when them dance, I ground up them. Barbie love, you say them name. Look on the cheer them. Don't listen. They love warlike people, sometimes they live good, look.
Sometimes they want to come out on the veranda, they didn't come.
Yeah, man. Tree
True.
Barbie love them.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have them in all different type, you know, people. But they want the name Barbie love.
Yeah, so it can.
Yeah. So them are going with them thing there. Come on, I'm not trouble with them, man. So them are going with them sit them with people. They don't eat the callaloo, that.
Eh?
They don't eat the callaloo.
Yeah, no, them pick anything, man, yeah? They pick a blossom.
Red callaloo. See red callaloo where I'm going to pick. Showing you red callaloo. See, I blossom this. So red callaloo blossom. Come show them, kid. Come in, come on. Yeah. The red callaloo, yeah. I'm showing you red callaloo. Show them the red callaloo, KK. Yeah, man. I show them it, make them see it. I'm showing you blossom look a while. See it, huh? See red callaloo. What do you call it, though? Some call it red callaloo, some call it purple. But don't make them take a good look on it. Some call it red callaloo, some call it purple. Them see bird them back now, watch them. See them people? 3 of them again, watch them. I'm going with them thing, you know. Yeah, man. Man, come here, man. Barbie love, come here. Let's see how far them all go. Watch them. I want to show the people them. See them in they see bars in them. Show them the bars, man. Let's see what I go. Yeah, see bars, man. See bars there. I'm going to see, because you know, me always love showing how I go on the Vineyard. Come in KK, we are tour. And the real mint this dads. Eh? Sweet mint. Oh, peppermint, man. I answer. So I have peppermint, man. See it, see it, my people. Peppermint. Let them see it. Pepper. Yeah? Peppermint. Yeah, that mint here, that winter, I love, you know. That mint here nice. Yeah, I love that mint here. The bird, we are going down a mango tree too. Yeah. Show them what I go on. See one they fly. See they fly. See the extra there. See they fly, they show them back, see that they fly back right. They see them little people. And I go down here. I got right for the road. Yeah. Show them what I go on. Show them a peppermint time. Talk to the people then, okay. Let me see what I go on. Yeah, the mango yana ripe.
Let me see.
Yeah?
Them
Nah.
them they will fit yet.
Yeah, them see it, man. Show them it, man. Go up to them, let them see them. To them young.
Young.
Them I want water, my people. Yeah, them mango, yeah. Want water. Mango, yeah, not fit it, man. Look and see what I got. Can't get that even ripe on our forest. Okay?
Yeah.
It's not even a ripe one.
No.
Eh?
No.
I don't look like magic in there. I don't know what I'm going Look like I'm a big brother.
What in them?
Magic.
Magic.
Yeah, what? It's a magic, right? Yeah, no good. Oh, no good. some of them time in tree and no good on the people. None at all. I see we in a place I look. Mango, you see?
Yeah.
Oh no, they're magic in that one. Sour sap. On the tree, you know, see sour sap.
See apple tree, yeah?
Eh?
Apple tree.
Show them, man. Let me make them know to you know tree, man. Show them, man.
See apple tree, young people.
Yes, man. Okay, I walk around with them, see what I'm doing. And I'm going to see if I find half laugh.
Yeah, apple down there, so.
Yeah? All of the apple, put a gun at so. Okay? All of the apple in the park. Now look at people that see what I'm going to take. Yeah, man. Let them see what I want to do. All of the apple in the park. All of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Lime.
Lime.
That's your people then.
See lime tree,
Yeah.
people.
Make sure no finger down in your nice video, you know, girl.
Nothing.
Yeah, man, look at. See it like that little one, they're young, you see it?
Yeah.
Can't pick that, no. But show them, say, a whole heap of young one, whole heap of young one and lime deer, you know. Yeah, man, lime deer, see them, see a whole heap of young lime than the people there. So one of me just pick lime deer at town. And look at the tree loaded with lime. Yeah, man. Lime deer at town. Come, 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 I'll go over there. Come. I will let the lime tree with that piece of tree. Huh? Piece of.
Yeah.
I'm in a vineyard. I'm in a vineyard today. One of them carefully. That one I name K.
This again. I go over this.
Yeah, man, I mean, I used to tell the people that I go on mine, you know.
So see guava tree, young people. See there.
Young guava. Them,
Young guava, yeah, them not ready yet.
Yeah. Yeah, man. KK, I carry on a tree vineyard. Look at my people. KK, I carry on a tree vineyard today. Yeah. See yam, they show them the yam, then they just run. See it? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See yam, the KK, I show them, yeah.
See you next one. Yeah.
You know what I want? What I want there?
This? This in front of you, sir?
Yeah.
So what's up?
Yeah. Yes, man. I chat to you people like that. Yes, I go try and tell them I want to name so.
So that one I name breadfruit tree. Everybody's supposed to know breadfruit tree.
Shot tumble on the people. All the video good. All the video good. I see breadfruit tree. They must say one tumble video.
No, that's true. Me and Jack video.
Yeah, I know them going to say one tumble video. Come up. Down in the bush for the people. Yeah. Down in the bush for them. See yam them there run. Oh yeah. Sure yam them there run, yeah. See them just run pan stick. Yeah man. They just run pan stick. Understand? So, yeah, KK do the thing. So.
Someone go there.
Eh? Yeah, man, I go. Because so, yeah, look for the pan in the man. So. Yeah, look for the pan. Come with you to the pan the road. Little breadfruit tree there, yo.
The young breadfruit tree there, people.
Yeah. Some people see it, you know. Yeah, man, the pine that, you know, my mom wanna see it, but see it? Pine there. See what I pine feel like, yo, I'm gonna see it. See it there? Well, I was showing it, so. Pine this. Okay, it's off, them up here.
Young people see young pine there, people. Yeah. So we go. See there. See pine in there.
Okay, in the vineyard. Yeah. And call them Judy.
Judy?
Judy.
I'm calling her Judy.
Yeah, Judy. Yeah, okay, check it. Show the bush, see? Come at them, so. Show the bush on the road. So we go look lime and thing. And we are track it. So stone like what? Yeah, man, we are track it. Yeah. KK in the vineyard, we say.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Them the down there for now. Yeah. I know so this
A leaf of? No.
yeah, leaf of life, they call it. A tree of life or a leaf of life. Same thing, man.
Yeah.
Tree of life, leaf of life.
Some peas there.
Yes. Yeah, I have to tell that. I'm showing us a KK. No enough thing.
So one papaya tree there over there.
Alright. You see it?
Yeah.
KK in the video. Give thanks and praise to everything and love and the fight and one head. Because we don't come here for live favor, you know. Eat food and live. Liban and KK in the vineyard. So she's showing the papaya.
And look on the view.
Yeah. Nice. You hear the cricket there too?
Me say no cricket and one frog.
No cricket, you hear them people? Cricket answer. I want to start on the okay, okay. Turn it to the vineyard, turn it. Yeah, vineyard. That's so, yeah. Vineyard. Yeah, I feel the tree, yeah, tree, yeah. My national dish.
Aki.
Yeah. I'm going to show them, you know, comfrey.
Comfrey.
Show them a comfrey. Yeah. I'm going to show them the comfrey, show them properly, you know, because we don't rush it. Yeah. What is?
Turtle time.
Yes. See it on people, show me turtle time. See idea to them for showing you know. Come in, KK, back in the bush. Yes, the people. Yeah, man, see on KK down in the bush. See the view? You see what I'm going on, KK. Work with them, see the view? Yeah, the city. Shall we show them all the way they are, so? Yeah, man, shall we show them what I'm going down the after the peas, the whatever. Should we tell them? When she cut some of them. Yeah. Yeah, man, we have to take time and finish up in our peas.
Yeah, my people, we have to take time more, so. As you can see, I have some young peas are come up. Gungo peas. So you have to take time so you want to stamp on them. And see some pepper tree right here, so.
How are them there?
Pepper tree.
Yeah, pepper. You know, them see them, man. Them see some young pepper they pan them too. Yeah. So let me see over there, KK. See me at the gas, sir. Yeah, man, in the vineyard, me and KK. I go and walk and KK and show no what I go on. You see me?
Yeah.
So some more pepper pan tree down here, sir. They are to with peace at certain time at all. Yeah. You certain time, you see it? Yeah, man. Boiled tea and the boiled soup, nice. Tea and soup, my people. Yeah, man. certain type in a Liban kitchen, you know. Liban and KK in the Vineyard.
Yep.
Yeah. Show them the little young can, them two man, the tuna man and thing. Let me see what I'm going on. Yeah.
So my young can of people and one next peace tree. Baby peace tree. 5 tuna them.
Yeah.
Oh, see them young people.
I want to see,
Small tuna tree, upcoming tuna tree.
It's a small upcoming.
Yeah.
I show them the big one when they go up there now. I show them rosemary.
Wait there. Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Them man are
Keep
your
your
thing, you
people
know.
see rosemary right
Yeah,
there.
man. Some more term time and
And some more time over here. So.
Yeah, man. You know. Let me see what I go on.
Courage.
Oh, that guy grape harbor. See grape harbor there now. You know, say grape harbor.
Grape harbor.
Yeah.
I see big tuna tree here, so big tuna tree. See it, people?
Eh?
You know me, I show them
Yeah.
big tuna tree.
Oh, the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See big tuna tree on the people.
Yeah.
Okay, I show you. Show them the grape harbor.
Yeah, I'm sure grape harbor.
Yeah, man. Show them the grape harbor. Just make them, you know, see how grape harbor stay. Yeah. When I just go to a movie, it's just a glimpse. And I go see make them say, yes, man. Grape harbor. All right. How long you say about them, the potato, see?
Yeah. So Liban say a potato then, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And you have rosemary, eh?
Yep.
Rosemary again. And yours Vineyard thing, you know. Yeah, my people see crotonette too. Yeah. Yeah, man. Plants and flowers and herbs, you know. See skeleton style, you know. Cake I show no what go on. Eh? Yes.
He's killing them.
Yeah, I see it.
Baby's killing them.
And time. Time them
Time.
better. Them they are the time.
And time.
Yeah, man, skeleton and time. And see it, pepper them out there so the
And
tomato.
pepper out there, so.
Yeah, man, give them a glimpse of the vineyard, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just the vineyard. The tomato them the cake. Oh, the tomato them the pallet. Yes. See them there? Tomato them are daddy and salad. Tomato. See them there, yeah, man. I see them things. See them there. Cake show, no. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. So, when I to come as a cake, no call out the name, just come as a video. No call out the name, see? Yeah, so want something black here. I don't know what. I want to tell you in the comment section. Tell you in the comment section.
Yeah, what up?
I want that. We don't call something. I want to look on it good, see it? Yeah. So, walk out the whole of the vineyard. KK. A KK one, I tell you now, a KK vlog. Fear, so she walk out the vineyard and name the thing. I say, see me with my turpentine? Yeah, man. So we're there, man, and showing us. So we always showing us some bush and herb and all of them things there. And plants, you know? Because you know, say, plants are healing in the nation. And the earth of the Lord, you know. And Jesus here. And the earth of the Lord here. Love and live Jamaica. Liban here.